Hi, this is Neil from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and if you would like to know just how much work is involved with building an Amazon business and why these businesses are kind of front-loaded, stick around. I'm going to show you all about it. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you build your own e-commerce business right here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more content like this, and also consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Post brand new money-making information each and every day. If you've got any questions for me, comment below and I'll answer them personally for you. With that being said, let's go. Just about these Amazon businesses, it was something that Mark said, basically, to paraphrase the whole thing, is he set his Amazon business up and then promptly life got in the way and he just kind of let it go, let it run, and he just reordered stock when he had to. And long and short of it was, his business just kept selling, just kept doing its thing. Okay. And that reminded me of how much these Amazon businesses are front loaded, meaning the vast majority of the work is done at the front of the business. Like when you're first getting started, that's when the vast majority of the work gets done, because you're having to figure out what the hell to sell. You got to go source it from somewhere. You got to go negotiate. You got to get your samples. You got to get it checked. When you're getting it produced, you should go and get your stuff checked then. Then we should get the freight forward. You got to find that person. Then you've got to get it shipped into Australia or the USA or wherever the hell you're selling it, and blah, blah, blah. You got to set up your listing. You got to get your photos. Everything's at the front. Everything's at the front. Okay. The first 1 to 3 months is intense in terms of the labor element of building these Amazon businesses. And then that's all done. You know, that's all done. And then the business can just take advantage of the 450 million people that shop on Amazon. You just take advantage of that. That's one of the wonderful things about these Amazon businesses. Okay. So if you're at the starting point, looking up the hill of what you've got to do to get your business live, just know you quickly reach the top of the hill and then you get to kind of sit in the buggy and woo, go back down the hill. Okay. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs right here in Australia. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and also come and join us, because there's over 2,500 members here and growing. We're actually, believe it or not, the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs this side of Darwin. Yeah, that's right. You heard me. And by the way, we're making money too. $50 million last time I checked. Would you like a little piece of that? Of course you would. So get yourself off to www.AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs, link in the description below, .com.au. That's AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au.